Hey, Jared with Good Roof here. So what we have here, I'll show you, is this. Okay. So I did not build that. This was a customer of mine put it up, and it needs some love. But the goal of it is to make it a carport. Basically, we're going to put a roof right here, but there's some things that we have to do to make this happen. It needs more supports, and we need to change the pitch of it so it's not water won't head back into the roof, so water will actually go down, and just strengthen the structure he had. He did a pretty good job. We're gonna add a few more posts here. Put the rafters up, and then put on a roof. We're gonna do TPO for this one. So that's it. I'm excited to see what happens, and hope you guys enjoy.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good.
Hey, got music playing in the background, having a good time, welding some TPO together. Alright, so I'll show you. We have all the edges done. We have that first weld up there done. We gotta do this one and this one. TPO is great, good for low slope, and totally a great option for many homes. Lasts a long time, pretty resilient, and it's just a good option for roofing. So, hey, let's go. Hey, what's going on? So just finished this TPO job. Check it out.
Why stop to me?